In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play in the browser on GeForce Now. It's a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite games without the need for a powerful gaming PC. All you need is a supported browser, and I'll walk you through each step to get you gaming in no time. First, let's ensure you're using a compatible browser. GeForce Now works smoothly on popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and a few others. So go ahead and open one of these browsers on your device. This step is crucial because using an unsupported browser might lead to performance issues or might not work at all. Once your browser is ready, the next step is to sign into your NVIDIA account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. But if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new NVIDIA account. This account will be your gateway to accessing GeForce Now and all its features. Now that you're signed in, it's time for the fun part, searching for a game. Use the search bar within GeForce Now to find the game you want to play. With a vast library of games available, you're bound to find something that piques your interest. Once you've found the game you want, click on it to proceed. Before you can start playing, there's one more step. You'll need to log in to the Game Store account that owns the game. Whether it's Steam, Epic Games, Ubisoft, or another platform, make sure you have your login details handy. This is necessary because GeForce Now streams the game from your existing library, ensuring you have access to the games you already own. After logging into your Game Store account, you'll see a play button. Click on play, and this will initiate the cloud gaming session. At this point, you might have to wait a little as the session loads. This is normal, as GeForce Now is preparing your game to be streamed directly to your browser. And there you have it. Once the session starts, you'll be able to play directly within your browser. It's a seamless experience, and you'll be amazed at how well it performs even without high-end hardware. Enjoy your gaming session, and remember, with GeForce Now, you can game anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!